What's up, everybody? It's Silas King IV here, guys. Coming on here every day. Hey, guys, I got on here with I just did my video where I was talking about it's more blessed to give than to receive, but I had my privacy on only me, and I didn't know I had it on there, but I just uploaded it. I changed it to public for everybody. That video is on there on my Facebook, but right now I'm about to do a review on Ethereum. It's another cryptocurrency, and if you don't know, I'm learning Bitcoin and cryptocurrency education. You know, my link is below. You can learn it with me as well. You know, if you like what you're hearing from me and seeing how I'm learning in a few weeks and learning about it and actually profiting from it. And you can also follow me on my different social media platforms and connect with me. There, I have them in the link, and you can also sow seeds into my ministry and into my business and into my Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet. If you don't know how to do that, you can get educated with me so you can learn how to do that, because I believe this is very valuable information. And guess what? If you don't decide to do cryptocurrency right now, it's okay. But when you do decide that you want to learn about it, come to your boy. Come to me. Okay? Let me help you, because I'm learning, and I'm excited about what they're doing, because I think it's very important for everybody in the world, really, the way that they're doing it. But I wanted to talk about Ethereum, and remember, I'm just learning. All right? I'm just learning, and I just want to share with you, you know, what it is. And what I like about Ethereum, all right, the cryptocurrency name is Ether, but what I like about Ethereum. So right now, Ethereum, okay, I have my notes right here. Ethereum is a blockchain app platform. It's powerful. See, a lot of people think that they see all these different currencies coming out, and they think they're all trying to compete with Bitcoin. They're not all trying to compete. Some of them are trying to be the dominance currency, but some of them are trying to complement Bitcoin and what it's done and what the blockchain technology behind it has done. So what Ethereum did, the platform, and the CEO, his name is Vitalik Buterin, okay? And he founded Ethereum in 2013. But Ethereum is a blockchain app platform, so it gives developers and people who have businesses the ability to create a platform in the blockchain. All right, so you could create a financial platform. You could create a music platform for royalties, so artists can receive their royalties from. It's like a peer-to-peer network, so artists can receive royalties straight from their customers right into their wallet, right, without a third party. So he created a platform, and they called it it's built on an unstoppable application. So Ethereum is a decentralized platform. So whenever you see businesses being made, they're even starting to build assets on the blockchain. They're basically building decentralized platforms, right, that run smart contracts. So smart contracts are just peer-to-peer, to where two people can agree on a contract. So let's say, for instance, a business owner that owned their own company. Okay, let's say you're the boss of or you're the owner of McDonald's, and you wanted to do McDonald's or something like that on the blockchain or through Ethereum. You could do a smart contract with your employees. All right, you could do a smart contract with your employees, and you can see on that smart contract, you can do a smart contract with your employees, and you can see when your employees go into work. You can track it on the blockchain through the smart contract. And you can see the hours that they've worked. So nobody can lie to each other. So it's like they're trying to build a trustless system to where nobody can lie, to where immediately it eliminates fraud and dispute. The cool thing I like about Ethereum is that it takes people through a process of building their application and actually getting it up and running. So I'm going to read my notes. Applications. So basically, applications that can run exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. So you don't need no third party with this when you're building on an Ethereum platform. It's built on a custom-built blockchain, and enormously powerful shared global infrastructure that can move value around and represent the ownership of property. So there's a whole bunch of companies being built inside of the Ethereum platform. All right, Ethereum right now is the #2 cryptocurrency. But it's a platform that allows app developers to build their own business. So what they're doing is they're building a whole global economy. There's over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. I know you say that's a lot, but there's going to be even more. And some of them, just like I talked about it last time in my Bitcoin review, some of them are not going to last. Some of the businesses aren't going to last. And some of them are competing with each other, but some of them are creating a new way. Like they have, like I tell you, they have music, ones that are solving music issues, music problems with royalties to where you don't need a third party anymore. They got ones that are solving bank problems. They got some that are solving insurance problems, that are solving web browsers problems, digital advertising problems. Because even in digital advertisement, there's third parties that take money from your advertisement. Like Facebook, we're on Facebook. They do it. All right, when people advertise, they're taking more money than they need to on YouTube and different things like that. There's a third party, and with cryptocurrencies, what they're doing is they're eliminating the use of the third party. So the third parties, guess what? They're trying to now get into Bitcoin. They're starting to now get into cryptocurrency and creating their own and getting. There's even assets that are now coming. They're bringing their assets onto the blockchain, onto cryptocurrency. There's real gold that's on the cryptocurrency now. That's an asset in cryptocurrency. Silver has now made their own cryptocurrency, right? There's going to start being stocks that make their own tokens in cryptocurrencies, right? They're all, I believe all the companies are going to start making their own currencies, right? For their own company, for their own brand. But the thing about Ethereum is this: it allows movements of funds without a middleman. Right? This is what the blockchain does, but this is what Ethereum helps with as well. It allows movements of funds without a middleman or counterparty risk. Ethereum wallet lets you hold and secure Ether and other crypto assets built on Ethereum, as well as write, deploy, and use smart contracts. All right, so it's letting people that want to build their own business build on top of their platform, and they can create their own cryptocurrency. So you can learn this language called Solidity, a new language for smart contracts through Ethereum. All right, and you can design and issue your own cryptocurrency. So they're helping companies make their own cryptocurrencies with their brand, with their company. And you can create a tradable digital token that can be used as a currency. So people are literally creating their own currency because they have a great idea. So let's say, for instance, you had a great idea to where you had a great idea to solve something, right? Like Bitcoin is solving a problem to where you don't need third party. You don't need a bank no more. You're the bank. So let's say you had a business that solved the problem to where you don't need third party no more. You don't need a third party no more. You can use Ethereum and build your platform, build your business on top of Ethereum's network. You can build your application on there, a decentralized application, and you can start your business. You can design and issue your own cryptocurrency, create a tradable digital token that can be used as a currency, a representation of an asset. You can create your own representation of an asset. This is what the real silver did. You know, like you got real gold. Real silver did this and has its own asset. Even gold too. You can do this for a virtual share. You can do it for a proof of membership or anything at all. You can build your own company on top of the Ethereum platform, your own website, right? Your own brand. These tokens use a standard coin API. So your contract will be automatically compatible with any wallet, other contract, or exchange. Also using this standard. Guys, there's a lot of companies being made right now through cryptocurrency and through the Ethereum platform. And they're getting their brand to be on these exchanges to where we're trading it. Like I told you the other day, I traded my Bitcoin, some of my Bitcoin, because you don't have to buy full Bitcoin. I traded some of my Bitcoin into another cryptocurrency called Neo. All right. Neo is similar to Ethereum. They're kind of competitors, kind of. And I converted, when Neo went up and I made a profit, I converted it back into Bitcoin because I wanted to build my Bitcoin. And so what Ethereum is doing is letting people build their own company, but also build their own tokens, their own cryptocurrency. So now they can give value to the people that use their platform. Like I use a platform called Steemit. When I upload my videos to Steemit, they pay me in their cryptocurrency called Steem for uploading my own videos on their platform. Right? I think it's powerful. They made a social media platform. So now there's other companies, like there's another company that made a social media platform. They have a few of them that are trying to do something like Amazon or like eBay. And they're building a social media platform, but it's decentralized and it's giving people power. It's giving people their power back to where they don't need a third party, to where they can actually own what they're uploading. And I just think that that's powerful. And you can upload your cryptocurrencies to local exchanges. A total amount of tokens in circulation. So you can calculate, look, Ethereum, they help you create your own cryptocurrency and your own brand. So you can calculate how many tokens you want, how many currencies you want. So let's say you made your own cryptocurrency, and let's say you called it something. You called it online token or online coin or something. And you can fix an amount, or you can make an amount, you can fluctuate that amount. So you can say every quarter or something, this amount will be there. Or you can fix the amount and say there's only 1 million online coins. Right? They teaching you how to build. You can build your own platform. Right? A total amount of tokens in circulation can be set to a simple fixed amount or fluctuate based on any programmed rule set. So you can set a rule set for your cryptocurrency. Right, through the Ethereum platform. You can build tradable token with a fixed supply. A central bank. You can even make your own central bank on the Ethereum platform that can issue money. So I can create my own cryptocurrency on Ethereum. And look, you know who gives it the value? We give it the value. So I could create a cryptocurrency, and I could just, like, they have some, it's called Dogecoin. DOGE coin. I have some, but they use that online just for tips, like for fun or whatever. But if Dogecoin, like, it's really helping, like if it really in the future, if it goes up, everybody that's using Dogecoin, they're just going to make profit. But they use it for like online tips and things like that. But you can literally make your own cryptocurrency. But I like this because if somebody really has a solid idea and they don't know how to get it out, and they want to do it using cryptocurrency, they can go and do it through Ethereum, and you can learn how to do it through this platform, right? And you can kickstart a project, right? And it could be a trustless, you can do a trustless crowd sale. So using Ethereum, you can create a contract that will hold a contributor's money until any given date or goal is reached. Depending on the outcome, the funds will either be released to the project owners or safely returned back to the contributors. So they're setting you up. They're showing you how to do your whole process of making your own business on the blockchain, where everything is trustless. That's what the goal is, for everything to be transparent. But guess what? If your project doesn't launch, the people that invested, that said, I believe in what you're doing, if it doesn't launch or you don't meet the funds that you need, the funds will be returned back to the people that invested in it. So it's building a trustless system without a centralized model. You can even use the token you created, right? You can use it. You can build a crowdfund to pre-sell a product. You can make, look, let's say you're a musician. Like, I love music. Let's say I made an album and I wanted to create a token with my album, a cryptocurrency with my album that I send to my fans, and my fans can now use my cryptocurrency on my platform, on my site, to purchase items. And the more my fans use it, the more fans I get, the more valuable my token is. The more valuable the tokens, the cryptocurrency they have is. That's powerful, right? You can use these tokens for that. You can build a crowdfund to pre-sell a product, right? A crowd sale to sell virtual shares in a blockchain organization, right? An auction of a limited number of items. You can do all that, right, on Ethereum. And this is just what I'm learning, guys. If you want to learn about cryptocurrencies with me, the link is below. Click that video and just watch it. And if you want to learn, watch the video, and then sign up and take a tour. Check out the back office. Check out the education that they're giving us, right, in iCoin Pro. I mean, I was trying to learn this information for a year, and it's about 3 weeks now. I've been learning more than ever. I'm new to learning it, but I've been wanting to learn for a year. And I didn't know it was this deep. I didn't know all this was going on. All I knew about was Bitcoin. But I didn't know all these other powerful things were going on. Like they're creating companies on the blockchain for insurance. Like Bill Gates and his foundation, they partner up with different people. And it's so much more than people really know. But let's finish Ethereum. So you can build a virtual organization where members vote on issues. So you no longer need to have a physical office. Right? It's virtual. It's a virtual business. You can have a transparent association based on shareholder voting, right? To where voting can be done through virtual. It doesn't have to be where you're actually in an office. There's no more third party, right? You can build your own country with an unchangeable constitution, a better delegative democratic. Build a new kind of decentralized application. So that's the whole goal of Ethereum, is to help people build new decentralized applications. And these are the notes I took. I want to read the notes because I want to make sure I'm giving you the right information. But I really like what they're doing, and I see this as a long-term investment. The thing I like about cryptocurrency is that all these new companies are coming out, but they're solid ones, to where people can invest at a very low price. I mean, everything is on sale. Even Bitcoin, $4,000 is nothing right now. Like, that's nothing compared to what is about to happen with all these companies coming out proving that Bitcoin did something good. The technology with the blockchain revolution, with the evolution of what they're doing right now, like we are at the beginning of something great. And the thing I like about cryptocurrencies is that there's businesses and assets behind it too, to where you can invest, but you also can trade. There's a difference between investing and trading. Investing is holding it for a long periods of time. So when you invest in a company, it's like Warren Buffett says, he doesn't just get in a company for a quick profit. He looks for investing in companies for like 5, 10 years. He doesn't get involved in a company unless he can see it being around for 5 to 10 years and doing something great, right? And that's the same with these companies. You can look at them. There's starting to be companies that are created, like Ethereum. It's a platform with its own cryptocurrency. So if you invest in that right now, I mean, I can see investing in that now. And in 10 years, I can see that, even 5 years, I can see that being really, really profitable because of all the other companies that it's already been helping create on top of his platform. So basically, you can build your dream in Ethereum on his platform. You can build your business. You can build your business. So could your business be enhanced by operating on a cryptographically? So cryptography it's just telling you that the blockchain is secure. They used to use cryptography in World War II to where they decoded messages. All right, so cryptographic, that's why they say cryptocurrency. Basically, they're saying secured currency because it's very secure. So could your business be enhanced by operating on a cryptographically secure, decentralized, to where it's not centralized? There's no third party, tamper-proof network. So that's basically what Ethereum allows you to do. So I want you to check it out for yourself. Never invest based on what somebody says. Okay, just what you're hearing somebody else say. Always do your own research. But right now, I'm gonna show you on my computer on a CoinMarketCap. Right, Ethereum is number 2 right now. That's how much volume is in Ethereum. $27 billion. That's the price of it, $295 right now. So it's on sale because there's so many companies. It doesn't make sense for this not to work because there's so many companies that are being generated through Ethereum that are really doing something great. I mean, I'm doing my research. I'm looking at them. It's not just random stuff. Of course, there's going to be companies that be created that won't last. That's in anything. Look, I love music. There's songs that people create that will not be heard. There's songs that created that, like, why did you create this? That's in any area. That's in business. There's businesses that are going to be created that should not have been, like, it was pointless for them to make it. That's in any industry. Because I want you to know there's an evolution, a revolution and an evolution happening right now. And we are literally at the beginning. I'm looking at when I look to trade and look to invest, I literally see new companies starting. So when I click on a year, I can see the whole company and what they did. That's how new it is. But the volume, the market cap is over $140 billion right now. We're at the beginning of the beginning. Imagine being at the beginning of Apple, but greater. The beginning of Facebook. But now the companies are wanting to pay you, are wanting to invest in, give you an opportunity to hold their currency. And as their company grows, so does your holdings. And guess what? You don't have to just keep their currency. You can convert any of their currencies into another currency. And guess what? Cryptocurrency is open 24/7. There's no need for it to stop. I think it's amazing, and I think you should look into Ethereum, learn more about it. I don't know everything about it, but I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to try. And you can't be afraid to try as an investor. Investors, I believe investors, they're some of the greatest people with faith. Because it takes faith to invest. Just like tithing and offering. It takes faith. That's investing. So guys, I love you. Be blessed. Share this video, guys. Check out my link. Click the link. Because look, you can click the link now, or you're going to learn about this. Because it's beneficial to you. It is not bad for you. It is better. It is a better way. You can receive your funds. If you still want to use US dollars, you can receive your funds through a cryptocurrency, right? Bitcoin. You can receive it through a cryptocurrency and you can convert it back if you want to use US dollars. But I see the future. I see us, I feel like we're going digital. All right, this is just like the internet when it first started. This is just like, remember ordering pizza online? It wasn't cool. Nobody wanted to order pizza online. Nobody wanted to order clothes online. Amazon. Look what Amazon did. There's going to be companies that's greater than Amazon. Remember, we never knew Amazon. We never knew Facebook was going to show up. We thought MySpace was the place. Everybody thought MySpace was the best. And then Facebook came. And then Instagram came. Then Snapchat came. Now they got Steemit to where they're paying people for posting their videos. Just like YouTube. And there's going to be even greater companies that come. Because I believe there's somebody watching this. You might have a great company inside of you. And guys, there's a way for you to get that company out. Look, check out Ethereum. And definitely, if you're into coding too, this is something for you. I know my cousins, I know they're into coding. But if you're into coding, this is even, I know you'll love this even more. But even if you're not, this is for you as well. So guys, be blessed. I'm going to do a review on other companies too as I keep learning. But guys, I'm learning right now in iCoin Pro. And of course, the Lord Jesus Christ has given me wisdom. All right. Remember, when you're investing, you don't invest in everything. But it's okay to learn. You never have to swing at the bat. Warren Buffett says it all day. He's looking at different companies, but he never loses unless he makes a swing and he misses. But it's okay because he's evaluated the companies. And if he believes in that company and he swings and he misses, we got another chance. All right. Always evaluate a company. All right. You can invest and trade. So guys, I love you. Check this out, Ethereum. Check out the technology. Check out the CEO. And check out the history of everything. And check out the history of everything. It was founded in 2013. And let me make sure I say his name right. The CEO, the creator, his name is, I said it earlier. His name is, let me get to it. He has a very unique name. His name is, and he's 22, by the way. He's 22. This is why it's inspiring me. His name is Vitalik Buterin. All right, Vitalik Buterin. And he founded it in 2013. So, I mean, I just think this is powerful, guys. Let's do our studying. Study them. At least study them. You don't have, don't invest. You don't want to invest. But at least learn. Learn first. So you can really know what's going on. Guys, I see multi-millionaires and billionaires. Like, I see them being created in the next 5 to 10 years. Or even quicker. But I'm just looking at the long-term investment. I see lives changing. All right? I mean, literally changing. I see new business owners that were not, like, never saw themselves being a business owner. I see them creating their own platform. I see it. So, guys, remember, this is deep. Check it out. Be blessed. And, guys, click on my, I'm not going to forget this time. Click on my link. Don't let me give you all this valuable information and you not check it out. Click on my link, the iCoin Pro link. Learn cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin with me. It's an educational platform. It's the leading educational platform that I know. All right? That I know. That is teaching people the ins and outs of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. They're teaching you how to trade it. They're teaching you how to arbitrage it to where you buy it low when it's on sale and you sell it high. They're teaching you how to convert your currencies into another. They're teaching you how to mine. Right? They're teaching you all these different things. And it's people that have experience in the field. It's not random people. When I looked at it, I wanted to make sure it was solid people. And the CEO is from South Africa. And if you know anything about cryptocurrency, Bill Gates even talks about it. The one thing he likes about it is that it's helping even the poorest people. I'm not saying in South Africa they're the poorest, but I'm just saying it's helping people. 77% of people in the world don't have a bank account. So it's helping those who couldn't help themselves. Now they have their own bank account. Right? They're their own bank. And they can transfer funds without any third party. Without anybody blocking them. That's freedom. It's giving people back their power, guys. So, guys, I love you. Be blessed. Don't be ignorant. Be wise. All right? Be wise. My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. My people perish because they don't have a vision. Where there is no vision, the people perish. You need to know about this. Guys, I love you. And guess what? Look, if you don't want to learn about it now, when you do want to learn about it, come to me, Silas King IV, and let me teach you and let me show you where I'm learning at from some of the top people in this industry, guys. Be blessed. And also, iCoin Pro also has a trading group to where they have a system called the micro profit system to where they teach. I forgot to tell you about this. I got to tell you about this. To where they teach people how to make micro profits. And those micro profits add up to large profits. So they teach people start off making 1% profits, but they got a whole game plan from you. They got a compounding calculator. All right, in the back office. They got a calculator for the exchange you're using so you can calculate your numbers because you don't want to go blind when you're trading. So it gives you a whole game plan. And even if you're doing stocks and Forex, I see stocks and Forex traders and other traders joining this company, right? That's teaching cryptocurrency education, and they're getting better in their Forex and in stock and all their other trading, as well as their cryptocurrency trading. And they're even saying that. I mean, they're saying that this is amazing, the way that it's put together. Because it's teaching people how not to be greedy and how to have a plan. And that's why it's duplicatable. That's why it's duplicating like it is. So, guys, be blessed. I love you all. Just sharing some valuable information that's helping me. And I hope it helped you. All right? Love you. Take care. Share this video. Click on my link. I'm not forgetting it. I'm going to keep reminding you. Click on my link. Be blessed. Take care.